In this video, we are going to talk about pH. What do you understand by pH? pH by full meaning means power of hydrogen. It is the level of acidity or alkalinity of a substance. That is the meaning of pH. Then we got what we call the pH scale. The pH scale is a scale that indicates the level of acidity, that is the exact value of acidity or alkalinity of a substance. It ranges from 1 to 14. Then 7 is the center. 7 is neutral. But from 7 below to 1 means acidic. Then from 8 upwards means alkaline or basic. Let's look at the diagram. This is the pH scale. Something like this. Then we have here the center, which is 7. Then here is 8, here is 9, here is 10, here 11, here 12, and here 13, here is 14. Then we have here, we have 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. A pH value of 7 means neutrality, but a pH value from 6 downwards means acidity. Then pH value from 8 upwards means alkalinity. So that's it for pH scale. On this topic, our main base is calculations. So let's move to calculation. What is the formula for calculating pH of a substance? The formula for calculating pH of a substance is pH is equals to the negative logarithm of molecules of hydrogen ion to the base 10. This is the formula of calculating pH. This hydrogen ion here is the molar concentration of hydrogen ion in that substance, which is in mole per dm cube. So let's proceed. Find the pH of 1 times 10 raised to power minus 2 mole per dm cube of hydrogen ion. Then we know that our formula pH is equals to negative logarithm to the power of base 10 the power of hydrogen ion. So applying our formula, the pH value here is equals to negative log of 1 times 10 to the power of minus 2 to base 10. So you have that pH is equals to negative log of 1 times 10 raised to the power minus 2 is something as 10 raised to the power minus 2 base 10. According to law of logarithm, whenever you have this power like this, we have to move it to the back of the log, which is here. So let's move it to have that pH is equals to minus, that is this minus here, bracket minus 2 log of 10 to base 10. And log of 10 to base 10 is 1 here. So this can cancel out as 1. So that we can have that pH is equals to minus bracket minus 2 times 1. That's cancelled out here. So minus times minus 2 here, we have that pH is equals to 2 times 1, which is equals to 2. So that's the pH of this problem. So let's look at another example. Calculate the pH of 1 times 10 raised to the power minus 5 mole per dm cube of HCl. So let's proceed. We have our formula. pH is equals to negative log to the base 10 to the power of hydrogen ion. So on doing this, to apply our formula, we have that our pH is equals to negative log of 1 times 10 to the power of minus 5, which is the concentration of hydrogen ion to base 10, times 10 raised to the power minus 5, which is the concentration of hydrogen ion. So we have that pH is equals to negative log of 1 times 10 raised to the power minus 5. It is same thing as 10 raised to the power minus 5 to base 10. So pH is equals to negative bracket, as this power coming at the back of the log as usual, then log 10 base 10. So let's complete it here. We'll be having that log 10 base 10 is 1, and we know. So we have that pH is equals to negative bracket negative 5 times 1. So negative times negative here is positive. So pH is equals to 5 times 1. So our pH here will be equals to 5. Then when we say that our pH is 5, what do we mean? pH of 5 means acidity. That is, the solution is acidic. Remember that we said that from 6 downwards means acidity, and from 8 upwards means alkalinity. So this number here is less than 7, is also less than 6. So it means that the solution is acidic. So let's look at our last example for the day. Calculate the pH of triosinated 5 acid containing 3 times 10 raised to the power minus 5 mole per dm cube of hydrogen ion. So let's apply our formula, which is pH is equals to minus logarithm to base 10 raised to the power hydrogen ion. Then pH is equals to negative logarithm of 3 times 10 to the power of minus 5. From here, according to law of logarithm, whenever two logarithms are adding each other, you multiply the powers. For example, log x base 10 plus log y base 10 is equals to log base 10 to the power of x times y. This is how we solve things like this. And whenever you see things like this, you can reconvert it to this plus rule. Whenever you see multiplication, you can convert it to plus rule. Or whenever you see plus rule, you can convert it to multiplication rule. So let us continue. We have that our pH is equals to minus log 3 base 10 plus log 10 raised to the power minus 5 base 10. Applying our logarithm rule. So pH is now equals to minus bracket log 3 base 10 will give us 0.477 plus log 10 raised to the power minus 5 base 10 as we are doing before minus 5 log 10 base 10 close bracket. Then our pH is now equals to minus bracket 0.477 plus minus log 10 base 10 is 1 times minus 5, which is the same thing as minus 5. Closing small bracket, then closing the big bracket. So pH is equals to minus bracket 0.477 minus 5 close bracket. We have that our pH is equals to this minus, we multiply everything in the bracket, which is minus 0.477 plus 5, so that our pH is equals to 4.523. This is the answer that we are looking for. That's all for this video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more of our videos. Have a nice day.